Refineries are home to several types of toxic and combustible compounds, making operations increasingly dangerous. Depending on the type of facility, such volatile substances may include flammable gas, hydrogen, petrol derivatives, and other types of hazardous gases or vapors. Keeping workers safe in refineries requires the use of equipment with class-rated explosion-proof protection. Larson Electronics offers heavy-duty and powerful explosion-proof lights for refineries and industrial processing facilities. Our line of explosion-proof lights are available with solid-state LED or metal halide lamps. All units in this series have non-sparking copper-free aluminum housings and waterproof protection. Stainless steel housings are also available for added corrosion resistance. For versatile installation, standard Larson Electronics explosion-proof lights feature an adjustable mounting bracket at the back of the unit. Please like, subscribe, and share. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.